Okay, so hi everyone. I am superstar celebrity Curtis Star, Cuthbert, Kishi, Riker, Singapore famous YouTube sensation, Facebook sensation, Instagram sensation, TikTok sensation, four times WCW World Heavyweight Champion. The champ is here. That's why the best that is, the best that was, the best forever will be the Nation Boy. Good day. Woo! 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 Okay, so today, 1st May 2022 is Labor Day. Okay, but of course, not all people is having a holiday for Labor Day. Because so today is falls on Sunday, so it will be actually for tomorrow Monday instead for the public holiday. But of course, not all people is a holiday because only people who work office job. Okay, it's a happy Labor Day, a happy holiday. But for those like me in security night, or maybe those in F&B night, okay, or those driving MRT, drive bus, whatever, there's a lot of job. Okay, even though Labor Day, we still must work. Okay, so Labor Day actually, even though it's like supposed to be meant to be as a day for people no need to work, but actually it's more for like office people because office people don't need to work, but then we there's many jobs still have to work. But anyway, I would like to wish everyone, okay, except haters, happy Labor Day 2022. That's right, man. Happy Labor Day 2022. Everyone, except haters. That's right. Four times. WCW World Heavyweight Champion. The share is here. That's right. The best that is, the best that was, the best forever will be. The National Good Day.